Excerpt from the chapter Meditation, the greatest happiness of life. What is meditation? The greatest happiness of life is to be in meditation. Meditation is the death of the mind. Meditation is beyond the mind. Meditation is a state of no mind. Where the mind is not there, meditation is. Where the meditation is not there, mind is there. Meditation is to become a witness towards our deeds, to become aware. Meditation means awareness. Meditation means where the mind stops. Meditation is a state of no mind. Meditation is to get fixed, centered into oneself, to go within oneself. Meditation is from yourself to the Almighty. Meditation is consciousness. Meditation is a state of full awareness. The first rule is to meditate. The old and aged people kept saying, the sages kept saying that get up in the morning and first complete your daily routine and then start your day with the blessings of God. But today, people have forgotten the meaning of the daily routine. They think of earning money as a daily routine. The race for money has made people insane. Today, people keep thinking how I can be the richest man in the world. Why are you searching for outer richness? Achieve inner richness. A tremendous treasure is filled inside. You can collect the outer treasure by squeezing the blood of the poor and distribute it to get fame, which will finish one day. But the inner treasure keeps increasing as much as you give away. The outer treasure can be taken away by a thief, but the inner treasure nobody can take away until you are ready to be looted. When a meditative person gets ready to be looted, gets ready to love, to give unconditionally, then people ready to loot them are hard to find. There are just a few percentage of people who are real seekers. So get up, search for the real treasure. Time is short. The techniques of meditation take out the suppressed garbage of your life. It burns the garbage till it turns into ashes and you stand naked. Then you peep inside and inquire, who am I? What am I? These are the ways to move deep into meditation, or there are three main ways to achieve the truth. They are thirst for self experience should be there, thirst for borrowed knowledge should not be there. One should be ready to lose one's ego. Endless wait and patience should be there. A person who has the curiosity to achieve one's self experience becomes ready to lose himself too. One who has endless wait and patience within himself knows and achieves the truth by going deep within himself, and the one who has lost his ego has achieved everything. One who loses himself achieves everyone. One who achieves everyone loses himself, that is the ego. To meditate means to be among everyone consciously and still remain alone, to enjoy being alone.